There's a lot happening in the garden at the moment. Here are some tips for success. Whether you're planting spring flowering bulbs or cool season veggies, don't forget to prepare the soil first with an organic, rich soil improver to help give plants the best start. Organic matter does wonders for soil health too, improving structure, aeration and water holding capacity. And earthworms and microorganisms love it too. Check your veggie patch for common insect pests like caterpillars. Caterpillars just love brassica veggies like these. And also check for early signs of diseases like mildews. It's really easy to control both pests and diseases with a ready-to-use fungicide and insecticide dust. And remember to get clover and other broadleaf weeds in your lawn under control before they set seed and spread, using a selective lawn weed killer like Yates Weed and Feed. Clover can establish thick patches during the cooler months, which crowd out the lawn, so the sooner you treat for clover, the better. For more advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!